Problem number 19. As shown in the diagram below, AB and CD intersect at E, and AC is parallel to BD. This is the most important fact that we're going to get to. Given triangle AEC is similar to triangle BED, which of these equations below is true? So that similar fact is what really sets us up with everything we need. And with similarity, I'm just going to erase so you can see clearly. Corresponding parts are the things that we're interested in. So the first two letters of the first triangle, AE, that side, we know that side has to match the first two letters of the other one, BE. We can kind of do the same thing with the next two letters. EC has to match ED. And then the first and the last, AC, this side, needs to match BD, this side. So when they come up with these ratios, you're looking for one of the ratios to have some sort of refraction, and then it has to be equal to another ratio that is built the same way. Whether that's like a big divided by a small has to be equal to a big divided by a small, or two pieces from a big divided by the corresponding two pieces from a small. And when I say big and small, I'm talking about the big triangle up here and the small one there. So the best way you can do this is kind of go through it with your colored diagram and say, are these corresponding parts? Do they match up? So let's look at the first one. CE, that's, the big from the blue divided by DE, and that's, the small blue. So far we've done big divided by small. Okay, so we need to repeat that. We need big divided by the corresponding small. Let's see if we get that. So EB is the green one. Oh, EB is the small, so we're not getting that. All right, and I bet you EA, is the big. So this does not work because it's not an equivalent ratio. All right, we needed big divided by small equal to big divided by small. We didn't get that. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 is AE, which is the green from the big. So AE is big divided by BE. Yeah, big divided by small. So we got AE here and EB right there. So we're going to need that. We're going to need big divided by small. So AC is big, and the only thing we need is, it needs to be this one, DB. And if we see, we have the corresponding piece, the small. So this looks like our answer. If you go through all the others, 3 and 4, there will be something wrong with them. And I encourage you to do that. So you can stop the video here if you buy that answer. But if you want a little more, what I've done is I've created a kind of like a model with measurements, and I'll show you what I mean. I'll take example 3, and I'll show you why that's wrong. So we're going to take side EC. We're going to make a number. We're going to make like a calculation, and we're going to do side EC. So this blue side here, and we're going to divide it, because that's the operation that a ratio is, by side AE. So AE is the green. That's an example of a big divided by a big. All right? And when we do that, we get this 0.87. So when I make my other calculation, this other ratio, we also need to get 0.87. So we did blue divided by green from the big, then we need to do blue divided by green from the small. But let's see what they tell us. They say BE, and here they're reversing the order. Now they're doing small divided by ED divided by the blue. Oops. Let's cancel that. Oh, I see why. we're going to do BE, this, divided by ED. So, and you can see the values we get are different. Those things are not equivalent ratios. That's why 3 would be wrong. And if you were to go through and check out number 4, you'd find it's the same thing. So let's show you why. Number 2 is a correct answer. Let's actually show that works. So you can kind of take that and apply it. So AE, this side divided by BE. Oh, okay, so it's the big divided by the corresponding small, and we get 2.33. Okay, let's take another measurement. Calculation. We're going to do AC. Okay, the big red, and then it's saying divide by BD. Ah, yeah, the corresponding small one. And you can see that these ratios are in fact equivalent, which is why this is the correct equation.